In primetime news this evening, bomb threats spark major disruptions across the country.
Electors voice intention for Election Day, the latest from the R.J. Aglino Don Anderson poll.
And EOJ reports smooth process for special services voting. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Kelisha Williams. Now a little later on we'll have the financial week, but before that, Spencer is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you very much, Kelisha. Well, the Reggae Boys have named their squad for the 2 World Cup qualifying matches next month. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Kelisha, the last few days have been extremely hot.
Yes.
Ramin Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, Anthony. We're expecting another hot one tomorrow. We do have generally sunny conditions across most of the area. We're not expecting significant shower activity until about Sunday when a tropical wave is in the area.
Still hoping for rain, Anthony. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your main takeaway from last night's leadership debate?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.